Hi everyone, I'm from SK Engineering Limited. Welcome to this demonstration of the Spectrum Pipelines suite of software. Spectrum Pipelines is a set of modules of design and integrity calculations for onshore and subsea pipelines. The software suite comprises 13 different modules, and each module is dedicated to different aspects of pipeline design. Today, I would like to give you a tour of the Carbon Dioxide and Hydrogen Sulphide Corrosion Global Model module, which is used for the assessment of the internal corrosion rate of pipelines in accordance with NORSOK M506 for carbon dioxide corrosion and the Waard and Milliams 9395 methodology for carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulphide corrosion. The module is activated by double-clicking the application file, which loads all of the software features. The graphic user interface has a very simple and user-friendly layout, which assists users with entering the input data on screen. The user interface is divided into two screens. The first screen is dedicated to the corrosion rate calculation in accordance with the NORSOK M506 code. The second screen is dedicated to corrosion rate calculations in accordance with the Waard and Milliams 9395 methodology. Let's take a look at the first screen, which deals with the NORSOQ methodology. To calculate the corrosion rate, the user must first define the pipeline outside diameter, wall thickness, internal surface roughness, mole percentage of carbon dioxide, the percentage of inhibitor availability, and the glycol concentration in percentage of weight. The fluid composition is required, wherein the user needs to enter the composition of organic components, such as hydrocarbon and inorganic components, for example nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, oxygen, water, and hydrogen sulphide. The user must then import the input data profiles of temperature, pressure, pH, flow rate, and density and viscosity of the liquid and gaseous phase. Once these parameters are entered and the user hits the Calculate button, the software calculates the inhibited and uninhibited corrosion rate profile in millimeters per year. Now let's take a look at the second screen, which performs the corrosion rate calculation in accordance with the Waard and Milliams 9395 methodology. The inputs required include the line pipe parameters, such as the outside diameter, wall thickness, and internal surface roughness, contents data, such as the carbon dioxide mole percentage, hydrogen sulphide concentration in parts per million, the fluid temperature, the internal fluid pressure, and the concentration of hydrogen sulphide in parts per million. Some additional parameters are required, such as the liquid interfacial tension, the water density, the water cut, the flow regime, which could either be stratified or non-stratified, and the corrosion inhibitor availability in percentage terms, as well as the concentration of bicarbonates and total dissolved salt in grams per litre. The user needs to import input data profiles for the fluid contents temperature, pressure, velocity, and density and viscosity of the liquid and gaseous phase. The user can calculate the corrosion rate based on either the 93 or the 95 Waard and Milliams methodology, or as an average of the two. Once these parameters are entered and the user hits the Calculate button, the software calculates the inhibited and uninhibited corrosion rate profiles in millimeters per year. The result sheet, as well as a summary of the input parameters, can be saved as a PDF file. Each project case can be saved and reloaded for editing in the future. Thanks for watching this demonstration of the Spectrum Pipelines Carbon Dioxide and Hydrogen Sulphide Corrosion Global Module. For demonstration videos of other modules, please get in touch with us at info@engineeringsk.com or enquiries@z-subsea.com. Spectrum Pipelines, making pipeline design and integrity smarter.